It's God's own on the beat.
God's own killing me with his sounds. I go repeat it for you, baby, don't stop. Now you be my bus stop. Beauty, there's no life without you, girl. You are beautiful. I build my world around you, girl. You make my dreams come true. Iba, 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 hey. Girl, you give me fever, hey. Iba, 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 hey. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Girl, you make me shiver, hey. See, I just wanna let you know. Girl, you make me lose my senses. See, I just wanna let you know. Girl, you make me lose my senses. Chukudalugo, hey, my Monica, oh my, Chukubukwezemo. I see for my dream you born a Jima. Chukudalugo, hey, my Monica, oh my, Chukubukwezemo. I see for my dream you born a Jima, hey. Girl, I just want to make you come be my woman, be my woman. Anything you want from me, I no go refuse, oh, hey. I just want to make you come be my woman, be my woman. And you are the only person that I choose, oh. He day your body, yo, and he day my body, yo. You they give me distraction, and you causing commotion. He day your body, yo, and he day my body, yo. He they do me vibration, and you causing. See, I just wanna let you know. Girl, you make me lose my sense. See, I just wanna let you know. Girl, you make me lose my sense. Chukudalugo, my Monica, oh my, Chukubukwezemo. I see for my dream you born a Jima. Chukudalugo, my Monica, oh my, Chukubukwezemo. I see for my dream you born a Jima, hey. You give me fever, hey. For you,
Mr. Landmark on the mix.
So I really hope you guys will have a prosperous and tremendous festive season. Like, I've recorded this video on the 23rd of December, and I know I won't be able to edit it until, you know, at least after Christmas, so you will not be able to see this video obviously before Christmas. I wanted to do something different, you guys, because usually most of the Christmases I'm having to wear my wigs, and wearing my wigs on Christmas is just one of those days that I don't really have the time and the energy. This year I will be hosting Christmas in my house, so it's like some of my cousins will be there with their families, so I really wanted a hairstyle that is ready to go kind of hairstyle. Wigs, sometimes they do take my time, and sometimes after all the heat the glue starts melting, so I don't want to go through that process. So I just had to go ahead and do some braids, because braids, you just wake up and that's it. You don't really have to do anything with braids. So yeah, twist, actually twist. Yeah, so this is a very simple cute hairstyle, you guys, and the hair that I used is very light. I used 3 packs of the hair that I used. I'm sure you guys saw it in the clip. So I used the whole 3 packs, and the hair is nice and soft. It's not harsh to the hair, and it's not heavy as well. This is like so light. And despite that, I did my hair like a few days before Christmas, you guys. I did not overdo it. Like, I didn't do my cornrows too tight, I didn't do my braids too tight, because I didn't want the headache. Okay, so no one wants the pain just before an occasion. Okay, so make sure you leave your braids looking a little bit looser. Let me know what you think about this kind of hairstyle in the comment section down below. I'd like to know your thoughts on this kind of hairstyle. Like, do you enjoy when I do the tutorials like this? Let me know in the comment section down below. So if you guys didn't watch the whole video, because I know some people do skip the videos, I did leave my hair here at the front. So here at the front are single braids, not crochet braids. They are basically single braids, single twists. Why do I keep saying braids? Yeah, so at the front they're single twists, and at the back they're all cornrows with crochet twists. I had to twist the hair on the cornrows. So if you didn't watch the video, go back and watch the video again, like seriously, because I know someone will be asking me, how did you do the front, how did you do the back? So go and watch the video once again. I appreciate your support. You guys are my backbone. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys, and your comments and your love is so overwhelming, and I do appreciate all that, and I'm so grateful to have you guys as part of my family. Okay, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.